Hey y'all, it's Charity, and I am about to show you guys how to print in Epson edge print. It is a simple and easy way to create wide format prints without all of the hassle. I'm going to show you, like, I don't want to overdo it, but I'm opening the app and I'm going to show you how you're done. Okay, I'm going to delete this because pretend this never happened, okay? Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is add, and that is the point where you add your file, and I'm going to click mine. As you see, the supported files are PDF, PS, EPS, TIFF, TIF, JPEGs, blah, 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 PNGs. Okay, when you get it, you can see. But so I will save this as a EPS. So adding it, it's going to update the preview. Okay, one cool thing about printing here is it already knows that you're doing sublimation print, so you don't have to factor in any type of what you call it, what am I saying? You don't have to factor in any like backwards printing or mirror image, better statement for it. So I'm going to come down, and this, let me make this a little bigger. I'm going to come down and I'm going to do tiling, okay, which is super cool and a way to avoid any of the drama. Once you hit enable settings, you're going to get options. Obviously for me, I want to just do the number of tiles, which I will take 2 horizontal. 2 horizontal. Yeah, I'm going to go with 0 vertical. Let's see. So I'm gonna zoom this out so you can see. This is where it will be. It'll give you that one half and this other half. But once you get down here to the overlapping, you will see an area. I'm gonna make it bigger. Boom. That will be your area of overlap, right? So yeah, you won't have to deal with a lot of hustle and bustle. I could print from this point and that's the end of it, right? Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that works. You can also do specify by tile size, which we have 23. Wait a minute, wait. I don't know what paper that accounts for, but I did the 23 right here. You can really take it all the way down if you want to. Let's see. This is pretty new to me, but I mean, this will be my first print, basically. One thing that I didn't check on is the colors, right? This is how I designed it, so that will be how I want it to print. So I'll get those same vibrant colors, right? Yeah. I'm not really going to mess with anything else because I don't know how those settings are. And with this being pretty much like my first one, not going to trip. Oh, and this says give it priority to embedded profile, which to me is saying that the way I saved it is the way, or the way in which I created it and saved it is going to be the way the colors present themselves. That's what that means to me. If you have a different interpretation, let me know. Cool, right? So at this point, I'm done. I'm done with all of this madness, color settings, etc. I don't really see like a enter button, so pretty much my mind says if you did it, then it's gonna stay that way. We can double check by coming here. Things are still the same, so we're just gonna X out. I'm gonna add something else. It's also teacher appreciation. Let's see if I have. We're just gonna go with this. Updating preview. One cool thing about this is nest feature. I'm going to take this a little off the edge to kind of give me some leeway. Although I did test this out and my measurements are pretty darn exact. I'm going to come to color settings because I'm not sure if that changes from thing to thing, and it does. So for each individual job, you will need to come over here and correct, right? Give priority to the embedded. That's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if there's anything else that I really wouldn't mind printing in this moment. Another thing is, since I'm going to go back to Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm going to, what is this? No. I have something. Let's see. No, not you either. And what's one of these untitled junts? So probably untitled 2. This is pretty much the size of a license plate, right? So I'm going to take some elements from over here. I'm actually going to pull the whole thing over. Try to. Okay, you don't want to cooperate. Okay. I'm going to make sure I'm not touching any of the locked things, because I like what we got going on here. Let's see if we can just take it over this way, because what was the problem? Come on. Alright. What is this? Okay, I kinda already handled that. No changes to be saved. I'm trying to quickly eliminate. Oh, this is where I'm trying to go anyway. So I'm going to grab everything again. And not all of y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's check these layers out. Okay. Let's try to move you. Untitled 2? Yes. So everything's here super big. I'm going to surely take it down. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Trying to get some free transform going on. Everything is huge. Take you out. You're locked, so you don't wanna. Take you out. Let's see if I can grab all of this and take the size down now. Alright, I think I'm going to take it down to like 40%. No, pretty much nothing. So 10. Okay, kinda heading in the right direction for the most part, maybe. I guess I could edit this part out. I'll be back when I'm ready to show you what's going on. How about that? How about that? I changed my mind. Let's go ahead and finish up how to print this. I have this set up and ready to go. So it is literally as simple as print. It's already mirrored, so there will be no issues whatsoever. I already have my paper loaded, ready to go. So yeah, we're printing and we're printing. Let's also just kind of check out these basic settings. Ooh, so let's stop. Let's cancel. Let's cancel. Because this has the amount of passes. Okay, and I still hear it over there working. I'm canceling. Doggone it. Amount of passes. You can go to 12 passes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Which I was told is going to give me more of the color that I'm used to using ColourPop and like Craft and Bestie's paper, right? So I'm going to go ahead and then now click print. Now we're going to pick it up. I didn't even think about that, but yes, I want the 12 passes, which to me is giving the most ink, etc. That's also what I'm going to do for the little nesting job that I have over here. I'm going to show you how it allows you to save paper, which is like an excellent feature in my opinion. But for the purposes of this all over shirt, yes, my ink is probably going to take a little hit, but the point is to make high quality, high resolution images. Like if there is a function that makes my colors pop, those are the ones that I want. So I am going to let this print, then I'm going to do a quick piece together. Also, y'all, with the piecing together, I don't know if you can tell, but there is overlap. Like it's automatic overlap, not anything you have to think about. But just from how we tiled it, I don't know if you'll even be able to see it. How we tiled it, and right here the overlapping position. So the overlapping setting is going to save your life. Going to save your life, right? And it will allow you to, I mean, this is literally up to an inch. So it's bomb. That's if you pick an inch, it's gonna be so simple and easy to figure out. My print is coming on out. It's coming on out. And I will holler at y'all maybe at the press. I'm doing this first of all to test the heat settings to make sure what I print on is not like too much pressure. Like I'm just trying to adjust the thing. So worst case scenario, I'll have a business shirt and I'm rocking with that. So no big deal. Can't wait to see the end results. This is pretty much my first, no, actually, excuse me, this is my second print from this machine, but this is the way in which I did it the first time. The only difference was I clicked 12 passes instead of the standard 7. So we will see. We will see. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Until next time.